Customers should use parts from Spradley Hyundai because they're going to get the best parts for their vehicle that fit to OEM specifications. Customers can expect from factory parts that they're going to last longer on their vehicle to help them get on the road quicker. As a parts advisor, it's always best to greet the customers with a happy, friendly manner and to get them taken care of as quickly and precise as possible. Other shops can definitely benefit from the parts that we offer because they're going to get a part that fits perfectly, and we back up our parts, and we have a great team to help them out. I love working for Spradley Hyundai. I've been here a very long time, and when you come here, you're getting great service and you're becoming part of a family. For lifestyles that require first class, come down to Spradley Hyundai. We'll definitely take care of you. Thank you guys for watching. I'm Sean Trainer, Parts Advisor with Spradley Hyundai.